Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make the HTML document. Let's get started. First I will add the HTML tag. Then I will open the body tag. Next I will open the title tag. I will type my title. You can choose any title. I will enter my HTML document. Next I will close the title tag. Now I will close the body tag. No, one mistake is there. Um, I think it should not be the body tag. It should be the head tag. I will put back to head. Head open. Head close. Now I will choose the next line and open the body tag. Closing the tag. Next, I will type the body. You can take any body you want. I have taken this. I will add breaks for these lines. But on the Chrome, we can't get this breaks. I will just keep this for your understanding. Next, I will close the body tag. First, I will keep this with full. Now, I will close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Now I will save this document as the file extension html.html. Okay, let's do it. And this file ends